Mercedes here with another SolidWorks tech tip. Today I want to talk about changing the transparency of parts. We all know that at the assembly level, if you right click on a component, you can change its transparency right from there. Okay, just like that. So but what if we want to change the transparency of one single part? So for example, if I open this part, let's say I want to change the transparency of this part. So to do so, you need to edit the appearance of this part by going to heads up toolbar and use the edit appearance icon, or simply right click on your part and go to appearance and click on the name of the part, just like that. And by default in the color property manager, by default it's set to basic. So what you need to do is to switch to advanced tab and then go to illumination tab. Now under illumination tab, if you go down, you have your transparency bar right there that you can use to change the transparency of your part, just like that. Okay, now the good thing about setting the transparency at the part level is that if you go back to your assembly, you can see that the transparency of the part has been changed. And also you can have different transparency levels for different components using this technique. So for example, if I want to have a different transparency level for this part, I can change its transparency at the part level the exact same way that I did for the other part. So let me set it to 30% and press OK. So now I have two different transparency levels for these two components. One of them is set to 30%, the other one is set to 80%. Now if I go back to my assembly, you can see that I have different transparency levels for these two components.